Let's overload some more operators. For that, let me create new object T1 with 10 elements. Let me push the data such that T1 dot push I. So 0 through 9 is pushed. Then what I want to do is I want to read. So let me have a loop again. And then what I want to do is I want to read data from T1. Actually, stack does not have such an operation, but for studying purpose, for studying operator overloading purpose, let's define array notation, array index notation, something like this. So this is actually another operator in C++. So square bracket is operator, so member access operator. So you can define how to have access with a given integer there. So let's, as we define operator overloading for square bracket, then we could implement whatever we want to do with this notation. So with this notation, what I want to do is I want to read a data at index I of the array, internal array on the stack. So that's not standard stack operation though. So how do I implement such is as follows. But here we need to consider two things. When you do assignment A and B, then the right hand side of the assignment operator is called the R value, right value, and left side is called the L value. The main difference is the R value is to read the value in the variable, and the L value is to store value into this variable. So this variable value will be changed, but value in B will not be changed. But in programming language, we call R value and L value. First, what you do here in square bracket, array index notation is a R value. We want to read the data from it. So this we are going to do R value. So in operator overloading definition, we are going to read the data in the element, and the data is int type operator square bracket, and then we provide an integer within the square bracket. So in the square bracket, we want to provide integer that becomes a parameter there, and then it does not change any member variables, so it's const function. So that's what we are going to define, and this is a R value part. So to read the data from the array at index I, that's a R value. So implementation, integer is red, function name is operator square bracket, and parameter is int, and then const function. Then the implementation is return p array at index I. But here we need to validate the range of I. So here we could use assert function. Then I should be from 0, and then the maximum number I can have is up to TOS, top of the stack. So that's a validation of I. If it's not valid, then assertion gets failed. Let me check if assert is included, so we can use it that way. Then the square bracket operation overloading is done, so that now I can use that. Make, and then run. Then we see that 0 through 9 is there. To do some automated testing, we could do as follows. So instead of printing on screen, we could do assert that T1I should be same as I, 0 through 9 there. So That's the assertion mechanism. So we have included a cassert. That should work. Compile and run. And then this part is done silently since everything is okay there.